Hey everyone! Free bets are one of the best bonuses on 1xBet. Here's how to use them. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open your bonus section. For this, you need to click to menu, other, scroll down, promo, and here you have bonuses. In my case it's empty, but for you, if you will have some free bonuses, you need to select the available free bet and read the conditions. Pick an eligible match or market. Then place your bet using the free balance instead of cash. If you win, you keep the profit. But remember, usually the stake doesn't return, only the winnings. So if this video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.